This is one of our local SEO clients. You can see this is ABC Appliance Repair from Charlotte, North Carolina. We are doing local SEO for him. Um, we have started doing local SEO for him um, since May. Back then, he has not good enough ranking in his location. He was number one, but in the city, he was not in good position. But after 5 6 months of our work, he is now top performer in the Charlotte, North Carolina city for his top keywords. um, if we search for this keyword, appliance repair in Charlotte, you see he's number one. And the other keywords, he's being ranked for um if I also search for this keyword, they are very high performance keywords. You see, he is number one. He is top performer in the city. There are there are more keywords. You see, he is top performer. There are some keywords we did very well for him. You see, out of 7 keywords, we are ranking for 5. For also this keyword, when we started, his ranking was very bad, but right now he's top performer. Even for other services, when we started doing SEO for him, he was not good performer for his city, but right now you can see he's top performer. Even for other keywords, when we started, they had no good results, but right now they have very good results. So this is how we help our clients to get top ranking in his city for his local business.